Welcome to our complete guide on how to change your outfit on Snapchat. Let's dive into the steps together. To get started, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. Once the app is open, locate and tap on your avatar or profile picture at the top left corner of the screen. Next, tap on the outfit icon to access the outfit customization options. Within this menu, you can choose to change your outfit to reflect your style and preferences. Select a new outfit that resonates with you and fits your desired look. Once you've found the perfect outfit, tap on Save at the top right corner of the screen to apply the changes and save your new outfit setting. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily change your outfit on Snapchat, showcasing your style and personality through your profile. Thank you for tuning in to this tutorial. Elevate your Snapchat profile by changing your outfit and adding a personal touch to your snaps. Enjoy exploring different outfit options and expressing your individuality on Snapchat.